This video is sponsored by TRW, True Braking Experts. Visit trwaftermarket.com to learn more.
Thinking about changing your own brake pads? Here are 5 tips so you can perform a brake job like a pro. First, since you are saving money on the labor, don't skimp on the quality of the brake pads. Use a high-quality pad set. You deserve it. Second, before disassembly, look at the old brake pads to determine if there are any abnormalities like uneven wear. This can indicate issues with the caliper. Third, less is more when it comes to lubricants. Only apply lubricants to the ears or edges of the brake pad, like this. Fourth, clean the slides with a wire brush and use the hardware included with the brake pads. Fifth, always service the caliper guide pins. Remove the caliper guide pins, clean off the old grease, and clean out the hole with brake cleaner. If a boot has a hole or a rip, replace it. Thanks for watching.
This video is sponsored by TRW, True Braking Experts. Visit trwaftermarket.com to learn more.